Hi friends, welcome to Chenna Tech Point. In this video, we will see how to get the application.properties files into Spring Boot controller. I already created one project. This is the controller. I create one controller with welcome REST controller, annotated with REST controller. Go to properties, application.properties. We need to add a port number, server.port equal to 7788. Spring dot message equal to I am giving welcome to Spring Boot demo. In application.properties, we will store the data in the form of key value pairs. Spring.message is a key. Welcome to Spring Boot demo is the value. We will get this application.property value into controller. We will use at value annotation. With the help of at value annotation is used to get the application.properties files or data into controller. Here I am using dollar array braces. Within these braces I will give spring.message. I define one private string variable. Variable name is message. Import the value from bean factory annotation. I creating one method, public string hello, and return the variable. In application.properties, we are giving one value to the spring.message. In controller, with the help of at value annotation, we will get the application.properties value and pass to this method. Once start the application, right click, run as Java application. Spring Boot application started with the port number 7788. For this method, we need to annotate it with get mapping. Get the value is hello. This is our REST API. Go to Chrome browser, localhost colon 7788. Click on enter. Applications run successfully. Now we need to add /hello REST API and click on enter. You can see welcome to Spring Boot demo. Welcome to Spring Boot demo. We are defining in application.properties. Here application.properties. In controller, we will get the application.property value with the help of at value annotation. We will store it in one variable. We will return the whatever message defined in application.properties. We will return in hello method. In this way, we will get the application.properties values into controller. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.